Hi, we are in Paris now. It's almost the end of our trip. I wanted to record this video in UK, but we had a bit of technical problem. Our camera battery gone, so we couldn't record it in UK. But the video this time is going to be about one of the problems that we have in all the accounting firm, all the businesses. You get all these little receipts as a business, and you can't keep it. They're all faded out after a while. There are little receipts, you can easily lose them. And as accountants, we always have problems with our clients. The clients bring box of receipts, shoe boxes, and you don't know what's what, and it's really hard to sort them out and enter all the data. The other issue we have is usually the clients go lazy. They don't enter the invoices, the account payable invoices or receipts to the system, especially if they're accrual-based GST. It's a huge issue. As far as the profit and loss report and have the accurate data of the profit and loss report, it's an issue as well, because we wouldn't know how much account payable at each time they would have. One of the new technology available recently in New Zealand is Receipt Bank. Receipt Bank is a UK-based company. They started in New Zealand now. They have a service that you can send all the digital invoices and receipts to the Receipt Bank website. It's really easy. You can send it by email, or I'm going to show you how to do it by app, or you can they have a service that you can that you receive a free post envelope. You put all the receipts there and post it back, and they will scan everything and it will be entered. The beauty of it is, if you're using Xero, all the receipts will be saved as a PDF file and attached to the account payable. So not only the receipts will be scanned, they'll be saved in Xero. So you would have a draft invoice in Xero, or you can automatically approve them. I would suggest to have it as a draft, so you can have a look at it and approve the invoices. And also the PDF file would be there, so if the client or you need those PDF files at any time to look at them and double check them, you can do so. And you can go back as far as you want and print those PDF files and have a copy of them. What I'm going to show you is another tool they have, so you can send it by email, you can send the physical papers for them to scan it for you. But in this case, we have a little receipt. We are here, so I'm not going to keep this. I'm going to take a photo of it. They have a Receipt Bank app, which is really easy to use. I'm just going to click on the item and take a photo of the item. Simply take a photo. And then when I'm happy with the result, I can use that. And it's submitted for processing, as you can see. Usually between 24 hours to 48 hours, depends on the number of the receipt that you're sending. This will be processed, and you can go back to the system and send the receipts to Xero. You can submit the whole batch to Xero, and then you can go to Xero and approve them. They'll all be coded to the right account, and the system, like Xero does, remembers the transaction as supplier's name, and based on that it remembers the coding and the account that it needs to go to. It saves lots of time. It's very cheap. It starts about $19 New Zealand, and it goes up based on different services that you can use. It is a great tool for accountants to offer to the clients, and as always, Wise Advice clients will have this service available. They can use it. It saves them lots of time, and it gives them more accurate information. When they look at the profit and loss report, they can exactly see how much profit they make. They don't have to keep all these little funny receipts that they're going to be faded after a while. If you have any questions, just email me. Otherwise, you can go to receiptbank.co.nz and have a look at the information there. I'm also going to put a link for another video that explains the whole process again on the bottom of this post. Have a look at that. It will give you all the information that you need. Thank you. Till next time. See you.